In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses in Xero. This is an essential skill for keeping accurate financial records, tracking your business spending, and making sure everything stays organized. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Xero.com. Once the page loads, click on the Logging button. You'll be asked to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and enter your credentials carefully, then click Login to access your dashboard. Now that you're inside your Xero account, take a look at the top navigation menu. You'll see several options for managing different parts of your business. From here, click on Business, and then select Expenses from the drop-down menu. This Expenses section is where you can record, manage, and review all of your business expenses in one place. Once you're in the Expenses section, look for the New Expense button and click on it. You'll be presented with two options, Expense Claim and Mileage Claim. In most cases, you'll want to choose Expense Claim, as this is used for general business expenses like purchases, subscriptions, or services. Now it's time to fill in the expense details. Start by entering the amount you spent. Make sure the number is accurate, including any taxes if applicable. Next, add a clear and detailed description of the expense. For example, instead of just writing supplies, you could write office supplies, printer ink, and paper. This makes it much easier to track later. Then move on to the payment type. This step is very important. Select Personal if you paid using your own money and expect to be reimbursed. Select Company if the expense was paid directly using company funds. Then move on to the Spend At field. Here, you'll enter the name of the vendor or business where the expense occurred. Right below that, enter the date when the expense was made. Always double-check the date to ensure your records stay accurate. At this point, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Small mistakes can cause confusion later, so it's always a good idea to verify everything before saving. Now, to finalize the expense, you have two options. Click Submit if your company requires approval before recording expenses, or click Approve if you have permission to approve it yourself and want to record it immediately. Once you do that, your expense will be successfully recorded in the system. And that's it. You've just learned how to record expenses in Xero quickly and efficiently. Keeping your expenses updated regularly will help you stay organized and maintain accurate financial records. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.